We're going to learn how to add headers and footers. Now this is a useful way to provide repeating information in a document. How we go about doing that is we go to our Insert tab, we click on our header icon under our header and footer group. That brings up a list of the built-in headers that we can choose from. So if there is a header that meets your needs, you can select it and then you can edit it from there and you can add information to it. Now if that header does not meet your needs, you can actually remove it. So now we add our Design tab, which is a contextual tab which comes up whenever we're dealing with header and footers. So we're going to go to our header and footer group and we're going to select Remove Header. And we can also create a header from scratch. So we go to Insert, Header and Footer Group, Header, and we go to Edit Header. There are different types of information that you can include in a header, and it works the same way for a footer. The only difference is a footer is at the bottom of the page and a header is at the top of the page. So this is the Insert group and it includes all the information that we can insert. So the one I'm going to deal with is date and time. I'm going to select date and time. So it includes all the available formats. So I'm going to select that. If you'd like it to update automatically, so every time you open the document, the date will change, then you make sure that that box is ticked. If you don't want it to update automatically and you want the date to be the same and the time, you make sure that it's unticked. So I'm going to tick that, and I'm going to click OK. You can also include document information, so the author, file name, file path, and document title. The next thing we're going to include in our header is a logo. So we're going to go to Pictures and we're going to find the image on the computer. So if you have an image that you'd like to include that you've already saved, you locate it, you click on Insert. You simply then resize it. In order to move it around freely, remember to wrap text. So now we're in our Format Contextual tab. Go to the Arrange group and we select Wrap Text. I'm going to click in front of text. And now I can move it freely. And that is how you insert the header. Now we're going to insert a footer. So how we do that is we go to Insert, we go to Header and Footer, and this time we're going to click on Footer. Again, there are built-in footers that we can select from, and it works the same way as a header. I'm going to select Edit Header to start from scratch. Again, it's the same information that you can include, and this time I'm going to look for an online picture, so a clip art picture. It works the same as we've discussed before, so we can look office.com clip art or a Bing image search. So I'm just going to search for a star to show you how that works. And once you find an image that you would like to insert, simply click on it and you click on Insert. Now it works the same as the picture. In order to move it around more freely, we go to the Arrange group, click on Wrap Text, we go to in front of text, and then we can move it around. Now to delete that, all we do is make sure that it's selected and we click on Delete. Now I would actually like to include page numbers in my footer, so I'm going to go to the Header and Footer group and select Page Number. And we're going to choose the page number format that we like. Click on that, and there it has been inserted into my footer. And you'll see that when you create more than one page, that the header and footer will appear on every page. However, you can change it to appear on odd and even pages, and you do that by going to the options group in the design tab, and you can select on different odd and even pages. So the first page will be the same, but the next page will be different. There will be no header and footer, and then the third page will have a header and footer, and so on. You can also create different headers and footers for odd and even. So you can either create a different header and footer, or you can leave the header and footer blank for the odd or even pages. And that is how you create a header and footer in a Word document.